You know what that means?
What does that mean, Neil?
I don't know. That's why he's here.
There we go. I'll answer it. It's starting to feel more like spring.
I love it.
That's what it means.
Yes.
But
yeah, so
not too fast.
Neil.
Not too fast. Yeah, we might jump to summer, but that's how East Texas works here, Neil and Casey. We are dealing with the cloud cover, and it's been quite warm today. Neil's right about that. We are still at 70 degrees at Tyler Pounds Airport. Winds are out of the south at 15 miles per hour. The remainder of our temps are in the lower 60s to our north, still in the upper 60s and lower 70s in deep East Texas. And we are trending warmer by about 10 to 17 degrees, just depending on where you're at. Longview, from this point compared to where we were yesterday, we're about 13 degrees warmer there. And this will continue a streak at Tyler of now 9 consecutive below normal temperature days. It started on the 13th and it has continued through the 21st. However, with what I have in the forecast tomorrow, that streak is going to end for us as temperatures will approach 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. But this first, 64 will be your low temperature tonight. We could have a stray shower or two. That's why we're seeing a little bit of drizzle and light rain in our northern counties. There's Lone Star, Dangerfield, Naples along Highway 259 there. That's where the bulk of the precipitation has been. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. And here's a look at our high resolution futurecast model as we are still tracking those rain chances. Showers possible throughout the course of the evening. That was 11 o'clock. By early tomorrow morning, we're just looking at mostly cloudy skies, maybe a drop of rain or two, but that all comes to an end by the afternoon as we do start to see a few breaks in the clouds. For tomorrow, we were at 70 today, but we had 10 more tomorrow, and we hit 80 degrees by the afternoon. It will also be muggy because as we look at satellite and radar, this warm front has pushed up to the north, and that is driving in that Gulf moisture, and because of that, it's going to feel a little warmer than it actually is. The severe weather threat for Thursday is out. You can see we are under a slight risk of severe weather over north central Texas. There is a sliver of East Texas under a marginal risk, but as the storm system shifts off to the east, we will start to see the severe weather threat go up for us, especially in our southeastern counties highlighted in that yellow. And again, that is equivalent to a slight risk of severe weather. So here's how this is going to happen. We will start this on Thursday and we'll pause it Friday morning. A couple of showers and thunderstorms to our west at 5 o'clock. Those slowly push off to the east because this is a very slow moving front. But as we start to tap into that afternoon instability, we will see the storms grow stronger. But a lot of the models indicate that that will not happen until these storms make it to Arkansas and Louisiana. Looking further in the future, the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we are outlining an area of deep East Texas that could see above normal temperatures, while areas along into the north of I-20 will see right at around average, which are in the 70s at that point of the year. Now, granted, this is between March 27th and March 31st, so the average high temperatures are going to be slightly warmer than where they are right now, which are in the lower 70s. And we also have additional rain chances with above normal precipitation in the forecast between those two dates, March 27th and March 31st. Next 7 days, 80s Wednesday and Thursday, tracking those strong to severe thunderstorms Friday, especially to our east, mostly sunny Saturday. We hit 76 Sunday, and then a little cooler to start out next week. Deep East Texas is going to hold the same trend with warm temperatures Wednesday and Thursday. A few storms could be strong to severe Friday. Neil, Casey?
Thank you, sir.
All right, coming up, the Cowboys continue to make off-season moves.